Wegachalor, I welcome you back. Dinka to English. 1. Apot pot. Apot pot mean very nice. Pot pot very nice. Mir elan bar apaidit. Mir elan bar apaidit. Mean giraffe is tallest animal. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Then, then mean beautiful. If you tell a girl in then mean beautiful. Then I paid it. Then I paid it. Then I paid it mean very beautiful. Very beautiful. Then I paid it. Very beautiful. Mir ed a then I paid it. Mir a then I paid it. Mean giraffe is very beautiful. Giraffe is very beautiful. The time word mir. Mir mean giraffe. Giraffe. Gen nyamlal a then I paid it. Gen nyamlal a then I paid it. Mean Nyamlel town is beautiful. Nyamlel town is beautiful. Nyan bar a then I paid it. Nyan bar a then I paid it. Mean tall girl is beautiful. Tall girl is beautiful. Nyan bar. Nyan bar mean tall girl. Nyan chick mean short girl. Yin pot pot randia. Yin pot pot randia. Mean you are very nice, my dear. You are very nice, my dear. Pot pot mean very nice. Nice one. Randia mean my dear. Yenekan the end by William Majang Dit. Edipyo Itongjang. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video, because if you like the video, YouTube is going to recommend this video to the other people so that they can also learn Dinka language. Please like my video. Like, please. That's the only way you can help me. Okay? Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we learn Dinka language and English. Okay. This is the lesson of today. More are coming. Stay tuned. I am William Majak Malik Ding. Bye bye. Dorniali kawek kuyania. We shall meet in next lesson. Please subscribe, like, also share. Okay, bye bye.